morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are on the second video, okay, review of the Microwear W17 or the W17 smartwatch. Again, this is a review of the menus and features. The last video, what we have is the video review or the unboxing of this wearable. Okay, so it is the latest the latest Series 7 smartwatch, okay, with this an infinite display. And as you can see here, we do have a very slim bezel, brush finish. Okay, as you can see here, we have a very wide 1.9-inch IPS LCD screen, and here on top right and bottom, or top right and left case side, we have a very slim bezel. On the bottom part it is a bit wide, but overall very good display, wide and bright. Okay, so let's check on the different menus of the W17 smartwatch. Okay, so it is a full touch screen. Okay, so let's check. Okay, swiping from left or from right to left, we have the automatic activity tracking here. We have the heart rate monitoring, so auto detect. We also have here the sleep monitoring. Okay, so this one is seems like a music player. We have weather. And that's it. Okay, let's go back. From this one, left to right, we have the split screen, and the other one here from top to bottom, we have the shortcut for settings and other important functions here, such as brightness here. Okay, then on the bottom we have the notifications, so you can read the notifications directly here in the wearable. For the main menu, just press this one, the crown button, and we have a bubble type menu. Let's see if we can use this one to zoom in and zoom out. Okay, so we can use this to zoom in and zoom out. Okay, so we have different functions here. To be able to see all the functions here easily, let's change the menu. We have different menus here, at least 6. So let's start. Okay, style 1 is, let's see. Okay, so we have the list format here. Okay, so we're going to use this one to check on the different menus and functions of the wearable. Okay, let's go to the other. Okay, let's remove this. Let's go to the other list here or functions. Okay, let's go to the menu. Okay, where's that located? Stopwatch, weather, exercise, news, sport, blood oxygen, call history, dial, heart rate, contacts. Okay, let's see. Okay, seems like the menu is not available here, so let's check here on the settings or the shortcut here. Okay, so we have it here. Okay, style 2. Okay, so this one I like. This one, I think this one is much better. Okay, going back, style 3, let's check. Okay, so we have a grid type style of menu. Okay, and still, as you can see here, the main menu is not present here, or the menu settings menu option is not available here. So let's go back to the home, and let's select style 4. Okay, Okay, so this is the bubble type, and this time it's available here. Style 5. Okay, so similar to style number 1 but in different location. And again, style number 6. Okay, so this one sort of a grid type menu but in a different format. Okay, so it's here. Okay, so let's go back to style number 3. Style number 3, the list format. But no, I think it's style number 2. Okay, let's go. Okay, no, but anyway, this is okay. So that's the different menus of, or the different style menus of the W17 smartwatch. So we have here, we have the stopwatch loss alert, Bluetooth connectivity, we have messaging, alarm clock, we have music, we have weather, we have heart rate here. So let's check. So automatically records or detects our heart rate. So let's see if we'll get the result right away. Okay, so we have the result. Let's go back. We have what else? Snooze. We also have a blood pressure here. Okay, so let's check. Checking. Okay, so we have the result fast. We have sports here. So different sports included in the W17 smartwatch. We have walking, running. Okay, let's go back. Running, cycling, ping pong, badminton, yoga, football, jump rope, tennis. What else? Okay, and that's it. Okay, so we have at least several sports functions here. We have mountain climbing here, weightlifting, basketball. Okay, and let's check. For example, for the walking, okay, there's a counter. So it counts for the calorie, steps, and blood pressure. Okay, what else? We have stopwatch, call history here. In the settings, we have melody. You can change the tune here for notifications and calling. Okay, calling notifications. We have what else? Vibration here. You can turn it off or on, adjust the volume, as well as the screen time here. Let's make it longer. Okay, very good. Up to 30 seconds. We have flashlight. Okay, we also have the QR code. We have the language option, restore, and the about. Okay, so watch 7. Okay, so we have at least several preloaded watch faces here. I like this one. Okay, to switch, I think you just have to use the crown button here. Okay, so we have several watch faces here. Okay, we also have a split screen. Okay, it will show the most frequent used, okay, options or functions in the wearable. Okay, so that's it for the different menus and functions available in the wearable. Okay, if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Okay, again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Goodbye.